Hi guys, thanks for visiting my channel. I hope you are enjoying your summer. We are well upon grilling season here, so I thought I would take this time today and show you my very favorite steak marinade. Steaks that we marinate in this are always tender and juicy, and they have tons of flavor, and you probably have all the ingredients that you need in your pantry. So we're going to start with balsamic vinegar. And if you are a Costco customer, if you haven't tried their balsamic vinegar, you need to try it. It's absolutely delicious, and I use it all the time. So we need a half a cup of that. And to that, we are going to add a quarter cup of low sodium soy sauce. And then we're going to need about a tablespoon of Worcestershire. And you can adjust the amounts on all of this to your taste. If you want to use more soy or more Worcestershire, you certainly can. But I'm going to use about a tablespoon, and I'm just going to eyeball it. And then we need 2 tablespoons of honey. Sweeten it up a little bit. And then we need 2 tablespoons of good olive oil. And then for my seasoning, I use about a teaspoon of onion powder. And again, I'm just eyeballing it. You can measure it if you want to. And then we're going to need about 2 tablespoons of grill seasoning. Whatever you like. I like the McCormick. That's my favorite. And you can get a big, a large container of it at Costco if you're a Costco member. And then we just going to give all that a stir. Or a whisk if you have a baby whisk. And then I'm going to pour it over my steaks. I found these delicious steaks at my Meijer this week. They had porterhouse and T-bones, which are my husband's favorite, on sale. So that's what we're having. And then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let them marinate for 3 to 4 hours. You can marinate them longer if you like, but 3 to 4 hours works really well. So I'm going to cover them up, pop them in the fridge, and then when we come back, I'll show you how tender, juicy, and flavorful they are. Okay guys, that's it for my favorite steak marinade. As you can see, it makes tender, juicy, flavorful steaks every time. I've tried a lot of marinades through the years, but this is by far my favorite. So I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for coming along with me today. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out on any of the fun. And I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.